everyone. I'm going to talk to you guys today about Invisalign and aligners and these little things called chew tabs that help promote the fit of your aligner, but it also helps your teeth move in the aligner, okay? Now, I like to say you can chew on these as much as you possibly can all day long unless it starts bugging your jaw, okay? So, and what you do is primarily you want to chew on your front 6 teeth, and you chew on these little chew tabs to help seat your aligner all the way, all right? And as your teeth start moving, they actually loosen up in the bone, and this really helps promote not only the fit of your aligner, but also helping your teeth move in that aligner so you get done with your treatment faster. Really important. Keep chewing.